Stop manually chasing small online earnings. If you use the internet, you are still sitting on a gold mine of untapped income. Introducing the Everve extension, the simplest way to turn your idle online time into automatic cash. You already like, follow, and engage. Why not get paid for it? This browser extension works in two powerful ways for passive income. First, it automates social tasks like liking, following, and subscribing across Facebook, Insta, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube. Also, Reddit. All run automatically while you are browsing. No endless manual clicking. It taps into your unused internet resources. Like other passive income apps, Everve lets you safely share your idle bandwidth for market research, adding a second stream of effortless earnings. Is your passive income machine running silently in the background? Install the extension, connect your social accounts, and let the automatic earnings begin. You have got social engagement and idle data sharing, all in just one simple tool. Ready to start earning automatically in less than a minute? Click the link in the description. Install Everve extension. Watch your social engagement start paying for itself. Download it free today. And also, I'll be showing you all how it is done in this tutorial video. So watch the video till the end, and also comment whatever you have in your mind after you watch this video. Sign in to Everve with your Google account. Go to your desired Google account from where you want to sign up for the Everve extension. And then you will be redirected to the login page, and then when you are logged in, you'll see this page. The dashboard opens, and when you are logged in, choose the on menu. You can see that advertise. You want to advertise or you want to on. We go to on, and you click on, then you can see the earning over there. Also, now you go for browser extension. When you click the browser extension, this page will open where you can see the current version is 3.9.2, which was released on August 27. When you click and download the extension, it gets downloaded. You can see on the download page, downloaded section is being downloaded. Yeah, it's downloaded in zip file. So now we open the file or the folder where the zip file is downloaded. We have to unzip the file, so we extract all on the same downloads folder. It's getting extracted on the downloads folder. After it is extracted, it's almost completed. 91, 92%, 93, and finally is completed. So you can see the folder with Everve Chrome extension. After the file is downloaded and unzipped, we need to install it. So when we go to the extensions section and then turn on the developer mode. You can see the developer mode. Then click the load unpacked and select the folder which we unzipped before. After you upload that file, load, then you can see thank you for installing our browser extension. Then let's click to the dashboard. The extension is installed now. So since the extension is installed, let's pin it in our bookmarks in our extension bar. You can see different extensions. So scroll down and you can see there number 1 social media, that is Everve. You can see the new extension being installed. We pin it, and in this way now the Everve extension is ready for use. Then when we click this extension, we can see different tags available like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Reddit and YouTube. Then you click the withdraw funds. You can see the total amount until date, and so you can see the minimum amount to withdraw is 6.50. The withdrawal fee is 5% per year and 10% for other payment systems. So when you click the withdraw funds, you will see a warning message that the minimum amount to withdraw has not been met yet. So I have just on 6.5682 and come back for withdrawal. Let's see how you can withdraw your on amount. So I'm going to complete some more tasks to earn some more money. So I click the traffic exchange. When I click traffic exchange, you can see the different types of tasks available. See, you can see the social media exchange on storage by Everve. This task give you 0.0006, and when you click preview website, you'll be getting it for being 30 seconds, and the website is opened on new tab. So let's set the withdrawals accounts for the payment. As you can see, there are different options: ATV Cash, Perfect Money, Payeer, Litecoin, Tron, TRC, Binance Coin, Dash and Dogecoin. And as I told earlier, the minimum payment account is 6.5, amount is so let's add the addresses for Binance Coin. When you click the add account, a new page will open where you will have to set your Binance address. You can see the Binance address which starts with 0 and X. Let's add the Litecoin address in the box and paste it, and you can see the Litecoin address I got from my Binance exchange. That Litecoin address is from my Binance exchange. I click the save changes, and you can see the changes being saved successfully. Also, let me set another address also. You can see I have set Dogecoin address also and Litecoin address. Both address have been saved for withdrawal. So after setting up those addresses, let's withdraw the fund in the Litecoin address. Select the Litecoin account for withdrawal and enter the amount to withdraw. Then you can see the minimum amount to withdraw of $6.5 is placed, and so I click the withdraw funds. When you click the withdraw funds button, your withdrawal request has been made and the ID is assigned. Request ID is assigned. You can see the balance withdrawal of 6.5 is made to the Litecoin address over there, and it suggests that the processing times may take up to 48 hours. Let's check the notification. You can see the user balance has been reset to 0.07. Here is just the notification of your created funds withdrawal request. Also, let's check the other method of withdrawing from your Everve account. Let's select payer account, payer, and add account. And now let's open my payer account. You can my payer account, and you can see the account number on the top. I copy it. Let's copy. You can select the address, copy, and paste it over the payer account. And save the changes made. The changes have been saved successfully. So after saving the changes, so let's select the payer account and the withdrawal amount, and place the withdrawal, and let's place the withdrawal, and click the withdraw funds. Yeah, you can see the withdrawal request has been made and the requester ID is presented. Finally, I received the payment notification from payer. You can see the 5.64 USD is paid to my account, and there's the details about it. Also, let's check the confirmation email as well. Your withdrawal request was successfully processed and sent. You can see the amount of $6 was sent to payer. Yeah, just the confirmation of the payment from Everve. Thank you.